So welcome students. So in this question you are given that in a circle you have a rhombus whose two sides are 2 radii of the circle. So 2 sides of a rhombus are 2 radius of the circle. So other 2 sides can be constructed. So all the lengths are equal to the radius because it is a rhombus. You are asked to find the area of this rhombus. You are asked to find the area of this rhombus. So now how do I get this answer? So you can see that if this has to be a rhombus, you cannot have any 2 radii arbitrarily. If you have any 2 radii arbitrarily, you cannot form a rhombus. So if a rhombus has to be formed, this radii should be at a particular angle. This radii should be at a particular angle. So let us first find the angle at which the radii has to be inclined for this to be a rhombus. So if this is theta, so you can clearly see that in a rhombus the opposite sides are equal. If that is theta, this should also be equal to theta. And if this is equal to theta, this is equal to 360 minus theta. But what is the relation between this angle and this angle? So this major arc subtends an angle of 360 minus theta at the center, and this major arc subtends the angle of theta and the circumference. So this angle should be 2 times the angle that is subtended at the circumference. So 360 minus theta should be equal to 2 times the angle subtended circumference is theta. So 360 is equal to 3 theta. So theta is equal to 120 degrees. So only if theta is equal to 120 degrees, then this figure will become a rhombus. So now if you use this is equal to 120 degrees, you are asked to find the area of this. So area of the rhombus can be very easily found out. So if I O, A, B, C. So what is the area? Area is equal to half into D1 into D2, area of rhombus. So one diagonal is very straightforward. One diagonal is nothing but the radius of this circle. The other diagonal is AC. So because this is 120, this angle is 60 degrees. So half of this angle is 60 degrees. So in this right angle triangle, I can use, let this be M. I can use trigonometric ratios. Sine 60 degrees is equal to AM by radius is 10. So AM is equal to 10 times root 3 by 2, that is 5 root 3. But AM is half of AC. So the second diagonal will be equal to 2 times AM, that is 2 times 5 root 3 is 10 root 3. So half into 10 root 3, that is equal to 50 root 3 square units. So the area of this rhombus is 50 root 3 square units.